Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to teach how to set up the environment for Python programming. Okay, for Python programming, we need interpreter, Python interpreter, for execute the program to run to see the output. We need Python interpreter. Okay, so we need to install the Python interpreter in our laptop or in our desktop computer. For the Python interpreter, what we are going to do, we are going to install Anaconda. It is a Python distribution. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python and R programming language. Okay, so this Anaconda software package is freely available in the internet. You can download and install in your computer, so that the Python interpreter and some set of IDEs, integrated development environment tools, are available along with the Anaconda. Okay, so we can use those tools for writing the Python program, for developing the Python program. Okay, so the Anaconda is a software package. It is a open source Python distribution. It has plenty, thousands of libraries available for data science and machine learning. Okay, for data science and machine learning, mostly the peoples are using Anaconda Python distribution. Okay, and in the Anaconda Python distribution, it has many tools or available. Many tools are available in the Anaconda. Okay, so now I will tell you how to download the Anaconda and install in your computer. For downloading the Anaconda, you can go to this website. Okay, www.anaconda.com. Okay, now I will go to this website and I will download that. Okay, this is the website, your data science toolkit. It is a toolkit for the data science. Okay, so now I will click on this download button. It will go to one page. Here there are three installers, Anaconda installers. Windows for Windows, for Mac OS and Linux. If your computer is having Windows operating system, you download this. If you're having Mac OS, you download either 64-bit graphical installer or 64-bit command line installer. Okay, so now if you see the Windows operating system, there are two types of the installer. One is 64-bit graphical installer and 32-bit graphical installer. What is 64-bit and what is 32-bit? Which one we need to download? First, you have to check whether your computer is a 64-bit computer or 32-bit computer. How you will check? Open the Windows Explorer. Okay, go to this PC. You can right click and see the properties. Okay, here the system type, it is a 64-bit operating system. See this, 64-bit operating system. Okay, so that I have to download the 64-bit graphical installer. Just if you click on this file will be downloaded into my computer. See that already I downloaded and it is available in the download folder. Okay, so it takes 2-3 minutes for downloading, depends on your internet speed. It takes time. Already I downloaded and keep it there. This is the file. This is the file, Anaconda 3 Windows. It is Windows installer. Okay, this is the file, students. Now after download the file, what we need to do, we are going to install the Anaconda in our laptop. Just you double click this file. Now the installing process will start. Okay, so welcome to Anaconda 3 setup. Go to next, and here there is a license agreement. You need to agree this. I will agree this. Then it is asking two options: install just for me or all the users in the computer. I choose first option, just for me. Then go to next. Where you need to install, which folder? I'm going to install C users user Anaconda 3 folder. Okay. If you want to install in some other location, you can browse it and see the location. You see the select the folder and you can install it. Okay, C users user Anaconda 3. Then I will click on next button. It is asking two options, advanced options. Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8. Okay, I select this option and install. Okay, students. So it takes some time to install, mostly 2 3 minutes. So now the Anaconda is being installed in your computer. Please wait for some time. Now Anaconda is being installed. Please wait for some time. Please wait for 2 3 minutes. Now Anaconda is being installed in my computer. Okay. Now it is completed. So I will click next button and just click next and finish it. Now Anaconda is installed in my computer. So now that my computer is ready for Python programming, Python program development. Okay. So how to open that? How to open that? Very simple. You go to Windows search bar. In the bottom of the taskbar, you can find the search bar, Windows search bar here. Here you type Anaconda, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, just you type Anaconda in the search bar, it will come here. You can click on this. Now Anaconda Navigator is open. This is the Anaconda Navigator. From this you can find different tools for different purposes. Okay, students, now it is open. So you see here, this is the Anaconda Navigator. Here you can find different tools: cmd.exe prompt, Jupyter Lab, RStudio, okay, Orange 3. Now in this course we are going to use Spider IDE. In this course we are going to use Spider IDE. So if you want to open, just you can click this launch button. This launch button you can click. The Spider IDE will be open. Okay. Now I will tell you what is Spider. So Spider is an IDE, integrated development environment. It is a set of tools. Okay, this IDE is used to edit. Edit means type the program, run the program. We need to run the program to see the outputs and debug the program. Debugging means in your program, if you put some mistakes, we need to fix the errors. We need to fix, if you put some error in the program, we need to fix the error. This process is called debugging. So for editing, for running, and for debugging, we can use the IDE. Okay, so every language is having different types of the IDs are available in the market. So for the Python, we have one of the IDE available in the Anaconda package, that is called the Spider IDE. This, when you install Anaconda in your computer, automatically you will get Spider IDE. Okay, so you open Spider IDE and you can type the program and run the program. Okay, so directly you can open Spider ID in the Windows search bar. Just you type Spider. Okay, this ID is open. This ID is coming. This application is coming. Just click on this. Now the Spider ID is being opened. Already it is installed. Okay, students, this is the IDE. So we are in our course, we are going to use the Spider IDE for writing the program and run the program and debug the program. Throughout the semester for programming one, you will be using Spider IDE. So you have to install Anaconda in your computer to work with Spider IDE. Thank you, students.